All right, third quarter quiz one, CFA one. So it is quiz day today. Our objective, we're still looking at the same concepts. It's going to be pretty much the objective for all week. I can explain various ways humans use natural resources and impact Earth systems. I can explain how increased human population increases natural resource demand. And I can explain how using natural resources affects an environment. On our demo board, we actually have today's agenda. So we're looking at the intro right now. In a second, we're going to shift over to the review of your study guide. If you left your study guide behind, whether you turned it into the turn-in bin or left it on the table, and your name was on it, I put it into the crate for your period because I said they were not being collected yesterday. So I did not accept it in the turn-in bin. It's back in the crate if you need to look for it. If you do not have one, there are additional ones over on the radiator table. When they're gone, they're gone. You are responsible for keeping track of your papers. I try to make exactly the number of copies that we need because it's actually something we've been requested to do as teachers here in the district. So that's what's going on with that. After we look over the study guide, take any questions you guys still might have, and then we're going to be moving on to the quiz. For the quiz, I will go ahead and read through the part that your CER section will be on. After the quiz, you're taking a look at what your carbon footprint is, filling out a questionnaire so that you can actually create a carbon footprint sample. And so you're going to do that on a separate sheet of paper, draw a picture of a shoe or a footprint, as the case may actually be, and then color it in based on the directions on the carbon footprint worksheet. Don't want to give too much direction on that because it would distract from what we're doing on the quiz. Quiz, as you know, is 20 points. 70% of your grade, so really it's 1,400 points. So it's a big deal. It's pretty comparable to the 5 assignments we had during the first 2 weeks of third quarter. So it's a big deal. Do want you to take it seriously. Hoping not to do a re-quiz on it. Hoping that everybody use the study guide wisely. We'll ask questions if they have them and that you can do really well. You guys all have those abilities. Remember, if you get confused, stop it. Raise your hand. Get some help.